Alright, so I'm working on a 15 Onan QG 5500. This is a gas model, carbureted, and just changing the coil packs. And the gapping procedure, just there's nobody online, so if somebody's having a hard time, just this is the way we're doing it. So the gap clearance should be at 0.012 inch or 0.3 millimeters. So that's the gap clearance that Cummins provided. Their tech service, so you give them a call and they can provide it over the phone. So that's what I'm using. So I'll just show you how I'm doing it.
As close as possible.
Alright, so I already did this one. So I'm doing the opposite side now.
Just setting up. This one's too close. Gotta find a way to push it down right. Push it. Perfect. It's open tight. Push it this side.
Nice.
That's what you want. That's it. This one's a little bit tight, but that's fine.
Spin it through a little bit. Just make sure they clear them.
That's it.
So to do this, you're gonna have to fully pull out the generator out of the RV, take the bottom end out. I'm not gonna get too much details into taking it apart, but you do need to separate it from the bottom portion, from the exhaust. So quite a bit of work, but whatever they're charging at the dealers, definitely insane price. You might as well just do it yourself. The coil packs, it's 2024. I got them for about 37 from Cummins, so it was about 37 each. So original, don't buy the aftermarket stuff, only get the original ones. And there are two different part numbers. One is a little bit shorter, the other one's the longer one. So that's the part number mine uses, the A058T424, and the other one's 425. It's upside down, but so you have a better idea what this is.